Okay, it just started to storm, and it's fucking crazy out there. I don't think it's a tornado, but it's whoa. Leaves are blowing everywhere. Damn, it smells like grass. Okay, now that you got a taste of that. I don't see, there's like leaves all over my patio. I'm gonna turn the light off. The neighbors across the back there. This can't be a tornado, but holy fuck! The door is shaking. The wind is so bad. I turned the lights back on. I have never seen it this windy. Okay. Don't worry about the light going off. The electricity is still on. It's a timer light. I have never seen it this windy during a thunderstorm. It's so windy, there's a puddle of water. Coming in through the door. I just happened to step in it. The rain like stopped. Oh, I guess it didn't. They say, you know, freight train sound is a tornado, but I'm not hearing it. Better shut the door, but this is so fucking cool. It's like quit raining, but it's so windy. It's like sprinkling a little bit. Better go check on my kitten. She likes to pee on shit.